Hey guys, Sakitech from Sakitech, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about a massive new update for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones that brings 3 new features to your smartphone. So let's dive in and see exactly what is going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my settings right over here. I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to go over to software update. You might even see it on the top right over here. You can tap there as well. But I'm going to go down. I'm going to tap on software update. I'm going to tap on check for updates. And you can see mine has already installed in the background. It is simply waiting for it to restart. But I do want to show you guys really quickly. This update here is almost 1 gigabyte in size. It's got the latest security patch, which is also very important. And it's going to be ending in CZF1. It is for One UI 8.5 Android 16. Now, when you look over here, it does not mention any new features, but we do actually have 3 brand new features. And a lot of people have been asking for these features. And then if you tap over here under app updates, you can see it's also going to update many of your stock applications to their latest version as well. So let's tap on restart. We're going to be right back. I'm going to tell you and show you what the new features are and what phones are getting them. Alright, the phone has been updated, so let's see exactly what's going on. I'm going to go to my settings really quickly. I'm going to show you the first 2 brand new features. Now, these are Galaxy AI features, okay? So I'm going to go right inside. I'm going to scroll down. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy S25 series or a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, now you are going to see this brand new notification highlights feature. When you tap on it, you're going to see 2 sub features. I'm going to show you exactly what they are and why they are amazing, even though it is AI. So first, let's look at the prioritized notifications. So I'm going to tap on this one. Now this one, it says show important notifications first to make sure you don't miss them. So when you pull down your notifications panel, it is going to know what is important to you and it's going to push them all to the top. So it's going to prioritize important notifications and it's going to put the less important ones towards the bottom. Now here's what's really great. Now here is what is really great about this. If you scroll down, you can see it says the notification content is processed on your phone. So your notifications do not get sent to cloud and do not get processed in the cloud. They get processed by the local AI that is on your Samsung Galaxy phone, okay? So they're going to be private AI priority notifications. Now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to look at the second one. That's the summarized notifications. So that's going to give you a summary of all your notifications so you can see before you actually open the notification at a glance what to expect. So it says right here, show a short summary of conversational notifications. So that's talking about messages, maybe a Facebook DM, an Instagram DM. And very important to understand, you can choose whether to allow notifications from individual apps to be summarized. So let me show you what that's going to look like. So when I go back to the main screen over here, to the main settings screen, if I were to go to regular notifications, and if I tap on app notifications, let's just pick messages as an example. I'm going to scroll down to the messages right here. So when I go inside here, you can see it allows me to customize that app to show or not to show both the priority and the summarized notifications feature. So you can tweak these per app. Anything that's conversational, you are going to see a summary for that notification when you tap on the arrow button. So over here, I don't have anything right now, but at the bottom you would see a little notification summary right over here, okay? This is the notification, this would be the summary. That just went away, no big deal. It says right here, notification content is processed on the phone. Again, it does not get sent to cloud and get processed by a third party. It's right on your phone with the built-in AI that's on the phone. And if you're wondering, that AI would be right over here. So you can actually see it if I tap on apps, and if I go to apps right over here, and if I tap on core, let's see what we get. you are going to see this Samsung AI Core, Samsung Core Services, Samsung Language Core. So all these AI features are processed on your phone, okay? That means even if you enable this feature right here, process data only on device, those features are still gonna work. By the way, if you do want extra protection for your data so it does not get processed on the cloud, you can enable this, but it is gonna take away some of the AI features, but not the ones that we're talking about, which is this one right here, okay? So those are first two new features. Number 3 is gonna be in the My Files application. So if I launch My Files application right here, and if I go to my settings, there's going to be a brand new feature at the bottom that says Show File Summaries. So again, get short AI-powered summaries of PDF and text files. And again, the good news, the PDF and text files are processed only on your phone. Again, they do not get sent to cloud. So what's going to happen is, I'm not going to do it right now, but if you tap on your documents, I have a bunch of PDF files that have private information, but if you do tap on it, it is going to show a summary of that PDF file. So you can test that out yourself, okay? So that's the third feature. All of these processed on device only. And I do want to again mention, this is for the S25 Ultra and the Z Fold 7, but this feature might trickle down to other phones over time as well. But for now, the S25 and the Z Fold 7 got it. And then of course on top of that, if I go to my settings, if I go to my About Phone, and if I go down to Software Information, at the bottom, we also have the latest security patch that did patch some very important security vulnerabilities, okay? So that's that. And finally, make sure to go into your security and privacy, okay? Go to Updates and make sure the Google Play system update is also up to date. As you can see, I have one right here. I'm going to download that. It is going to ask me to restart it, which I'm going to do. But that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.